here we are attempting to start the vehicle. So remember, we've been in the engine forever, which is anyway the heart of the car. And then guys, for us to service the engine, we need to at least crank it, be able to let it idle so that the oils can heat up, and then we be able to remove all the dirty oil and put a new one. So now here, let's do the starter wiring, and then yeah, we're just gonna use Magpas solution so that we can be able to start the vehicle. So now our cluster is on, meaning that everything that we did here that requires wiring was correctly. You can see our fan is running automatically because now we didn't connect the fan switch. Remember, we used the two fans, meaning that it has auxiliary fan, a fan that will be the backup in case this one fails. So this is just a starter button so that we can be able to crank our vehicle outside of the car now. Yeah, if you can check our terminals also, remember we had to use a wire to hold up a starter main wire, and then the alternator main power wire. So yeah, our ignition is also on, but then we are also failing to start the vehicle. At some point we realized that no, we are having a problem with the battery voltages, so we needed to take it back to the charger. Otherwise, if we continue facing the problems with the battery, we are just going to try get a new one. Now the following day, the battery is fully charged. Then yeah, we went to the space to get an clamp for the alternator positive terminal. So yeah, this is just a clamp, so we're gonna fix every mess here up until it is correct. Also, we got our red repellent tape, so we gonna wrap all necessary wires whereby they can be tempered by the rats. So yeah, anyway, this is a new fuel filter and a fuel line. Now let us install the fuel filter. So remember, our vehicle was chewing more petrol, meaning that the fuel filter also impacts the mileages. So it was a bit hard because wow, this pipe seems like it's been years since this car was serviced by the previous owner. But anyway, we managed to remove the fuel filter. Otherwise, you can see how dirty it is. You can see how dirty it is inside. So we just got a new one, which is same brand. They are all from good oil filters, GUD oil filters. I hope you guys know the brand. We also got a fuel pipe so that we can be able to put this is our GUD fuel filter. So we got a new pipe also for the fuel lines. So this means we will have to put the fuel filter in the correct place or the correct spec. So you saw on the previously our fuel filter was just laying in there, so which is wrong. Now this is our fuel pipe which we're gonna work on, and then we just gonna extend the pipes so that yeah, I hope we're gonna get high mileages on the fuel, because wow, So our new fuel lines are very small, so we need to come up with a solution. So anyway, we're gonna continue on the next video on how we're gonna connect the new pipes. Otherwise the vehicle did not start even here. We struggle again with the battery. So we're just gonna continue with installing the new terminal lamp, and then we tried using our repellent tape here. So we're just going to try other things out, and then end of this.